Consuming spicy foods, especially red and green peppers that contain a compound called capsaicin, offers numerous health benefits. We will explore some of these benefits in more scientific detail. Boosting metabolism and aiding weight loss. Capsaicin, the active compound in spicy peppers, triggers a process called thermogenesis by creating a sensation of heat in the body. This process leads to increased energy expenditure and accelerated metabolism. Research has also shown that capsaicin can reduce appetite and help with weight management. In some studies, regular consumption of spicy foods has been linked to a reduction in body mass index, BMI, and body fat. Improving heart health. Spicy foods can contribute to better heart health. Capsaicin helps lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, in the blood, promoting healthy blood vessels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, capsaicin can lower blood pressure by dilating blood vessels and improving blood flow. Strengthening the immune system. Spicy peppers are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which play essential roles in strengthening the immune system. Vitamin C aids in the production of white blood cells and acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the body from oxidative stress. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, the body's first line of defense against infections. Reducing pain and inflammation. Capsaicin has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce pain. It works by stimulating nerve endings, initially causing a burning sensation and then reducing sensitivity to pain. For this reason, capsaicin-containing creams are used to relieve muscle and joint pains, such as arthritis and fibromyalgia. Enhancing digestion and gut health. Spicy foods can improve digestion and stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes. Capsaicin increases blood flow to the stomach and stimulates the production of digestive juices, speeding up the digestion process. It also helps regulate beneficial gut bacteria and can reduce the risk of gastrointestinal infections.
Increasing longevity. Studies conducted on various populations have shown that regular consumption of spicy foods is associated with a reduced risk of death and increased longevity. This effect may result from a combination of positive impacts on heart health, reduced inflammation, and a strengthened immune system. Improving mood and reducing stress. Consuming spicy foods can improve mood and reduce stress. Capsaicin triggers the release of endorphins and serotonin in the brain, both of which are known as happiness and anti-stress hormones. These effects can help reduce anxiety and increase feelings of happiness. Preventing cancer. Research indicates that capsaicin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce the death of cancer cells. These effects are attributed to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of capsaicin, which can protect cells from oxidative damage and prevent the formation of tumors. In conclusion, considering all these benefits, it can be said that consuming spicy foods, when done in moderation and with regard to individual health conditions, paying attention to this connection is crucial, as early identification and treatment of RLS in people with diabetes can have a positive impact on their overall health, particularly in improving sleep quality and preventing further health complications. Thank you, dear viewers, for watching this program. If you found this content helpful, please like it, leave your comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more content.